Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I thought it would be so much fun to give you guys some new content. And actually, it's really not new to me, but it's very new to YouTube. But I want to share with you guys how to come up with an extremely creative idea for your husband or for your boyfriend for their birthday or Father's Day, or just because, or if you're going to do some type of milestone celebration. So prior to me getting into event planning as a profession, I would always be the go-to person that my friends would call on if they were looking for a super creative idea for their someone special. And I would always give them something super unique and something super creative that their boo, their bae, their husband, their boyfriend would absolutely love. And so that is what I'm going to share with you guys today. And that is how to come up with a creative idea or concept to celebrate your SOS, your boyfriend, your husband, your boo, your bae, or whomever that may be. And so the first thing that you want to do is that you want to find out what it is that they love and use that as the entire theme for their birthday celebration. For example, my husband actually absolutely loves golf. He loves to have me participate in like sporting events and things like that with him. But you guys know I am not an athletic person. And so I normally don't do these things. But because it was his birthday, I thought it would be so super special for me to get into what he loves. And so I rented out 2 bays at Top Golf, and I don't know if you have one in your city, but it is so much fun. And he also has a clothing line, so he absolutely loves fashion. And I decided to get like all of the guests custom shirts made for his birthday out of his, in blue and green, because those are the colors that we went with for this particular event. And he had like a super, super duper blast. It was so much fun for him. We had great food. He loves he loves more like appetizer type foods. And so they had great appetizers that was also included in the packet. And we had like wings and all of his favorite foods because he's a very casual guy. And it was just so much fun. My husband also absolutely loves to teach. He's just a teacher at heart. So having this moment right here with me meant more to him than you could ever imagine. Like seriously, by the time the night was over, he was so ecstatic. And on our drive home, he looked at me and he said, "Baby, thank you so much thank you for listening to me. Thank you for finally giving me exactly what I wanted for my birthday. Like this was the best birthday celebration ever. And I could have not asked for anything more." And so I just want to encourage you guys to listen to him and see exactly what it is that he wants. Even if you don't feel like it's great enough or grand enough or exactly what you want to happen or your vision, especially with me being a party planner, I had the hardest time with this. But this year I decided I was going to give him exactly what he wanted. And he so loved it. He loved every single moment of it. I'm telling you guys, like the next day he was still talking about, I'm tearing up right now. Like this was the best birthday ever for him because I listened to him. And so that is my number one piece of advice. You want to get creative, but the first step is to listen to exactly what they want and then make that happen and draw off of that, idea or that premises for them. And I promise you, like the results will be overwhelming because it's all about, giving that person what they want and not what you want them to have. I don't think that we could have asked for a better night in terms of the weather. It was absolutely beautiful. The ambiance was great. The fellowship and the friendship was great. Like I let him pick his own guest list, and he wanted to be just surrounded by other godly couples. And we just had a wonderful, wonderful time with family and friends. And oh my goodness, like it was so much fun.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, yeah.
And so his birthday, you know, turned into a weekend celebration because the body of Christ, our ministry, also wanted to celebrate with him. And so after church, we just did very simple punch and birthday cake, and everyone sung happy birthday to him, and it was so amazing.
Ready to go? All right. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastor. Happy birthday to you.
This weekend's celebration proved to be beautiful to him and for him in every way. I'm so thankful to call him my husband, and I hope you guys got some great ideas around, you know, how you're going to celebrate that someone special in your life for their birthday, their milestone celebration, or for Father's Day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!